too. These little ones are easy shooting. One kept moving on me. I think I hit it a little back, but it'll be done. It's about 52 yards. Got here. Some legs in the air. Yards on that one. Took out 3 little ones there earlier. Got a couple of them on video. And as you can see, I'm right next to the horse barn here. Things are coming out along that wall. They got holes into the horse riding area. Stay tuned. Hopefully get a few more this evening. Shooting a M3 30 cal. So we're going to do a follow-up on a shot that I took a little bit ago in this ride. It's this training ring. Had to get in a spot where I could catch this hole. Have to walk up. Could see the head of one, but I got my flashlight and my rod, and I'm getting the mom and the little one. See this hole here in this riding ring, or training ring, whatever it may be. It was kind of straight down, which isn't good for these horses. So landowner will be good for this. We're going to go up and do the follow-up on that last big one that come out from the riding ring, the indoor riding ring, and I'll get back with you, so stay tuned. So welcome back. This is the follow-up on that 62-yard shot. This guy, he come out from under them bushes. He was rough looking when I sat and see him come out. Come across here, and they come down along in this little drainage area here along this barn. This guy, man, whacked him right in the back of the noodle with that FX impact 30 cal. He did a little flop around. Hope that video turned out pretty good. So we've had a pretty good afternoon here. This on this horse barn here. Got a total of 3 little ones here. One I couldn't recover, and this male here, and then the 2 over in that circle arena. So a total of 6 on this farm today. Pretty good. Up in PA, the horse farm. Hoping to get back out on Friday. The farmer hopefully will have the alfalfa cut. I'm still waiting on that. A lot of fields grown up, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. We'll get a group shot here before I leave, so